Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one, actually. It's a finish off of a project. So this is just a really ordinary, relatively boring white bag. I have loads of these floating around in my office. So I've got brown ones that are fully paper. I've got black ones with a sort of a Hessian handle. I've got white ones. Always good to have gift bags. And yes, I can make my own gift packaging. Sometimes the gift is just a little awkward. So I like to have these on hand, and just because it's a paper bag, you don't just stick a tag on it, you can decorate it. So that's what I wanted to show you, was just a prettily finished off gift bag. So obviously these are gusseted at the bottom, so they are freestanding, as you can see. But I've decorated mine, or started. I've just got one more little bit to do, or maybe two, I don't know. Let's go for an odd number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 6. I've got 6. I need the odd number, but I've just got a little bit to finish off, and I wanted to do it with you. So, True Beauty and Organic Beauty. So these are from the annual catalogue. I don't know whether how long they're going to last. The annual catalogue actually comes to an end at the end of April. So a little over a month away. I don't know if they're going to last, carry over. Genuinely no idea. So let's showcase it now. So I've got my fresh freesia, and I'm going to stamp it twice, like that. And then, very sciencey, get the little dot in the middle. Where is it? Oh, where's it gone off my desk? Oh, I used a pencil with a rubber on the end. Oh, it's gone. I used a pencil that's got an eraser tip to it, and it was there, and now it's not. It's probably right under my nose, but anyway, so let's just do it a different way. So I'm going to get my gorgeous, that's not big enough. We'll do this. Gorgeous grape on the end. No, that's not big enough either. I blame every child in my house for the fact that it's missing. It was there. Just, what else could I use? We'll use this, okay, and I probably need a spongy underneath it, okay. Let's use a retired chalk marker. That works, kind of. Anyway, come to the table prepped, except you're not prepped. So, just a nice circle. Came to the table prepped. They're beautiful pencils, but clearly missing. Anyway, so you can see that I've already got all of my leaves done. They are in soft succulent and evening evergreen. So I've got both of the in colour greens. But I'm just going to cut my little flowers out now. And I just thought this was a nice way to decorate a gift bag for somebody. Obviously you can attach a label if you want. Oh, that's noisy, isn't it? You could attach a label if you wanted to. Where's my new ones? I had new ones ready to start. Here we go. You could attach a gift tag if you wanted. Oh, that's meant to be clear plates. That is not clear plates. Seriously, is this the world's most disorganised video today? There's a bit. Where's the rest of it gone? Oh, for goodness sake. I have a very tidy desk, usually. So, we're going to adapt. Because we clearly haven't got the other bit. You see, I'm looking for scissors, and I'm looking around my desk and not at all concentrating on what I'm doing. Why can't I see it? Does anybody have stuff right in front of their face that they cannot see? Or is that just me? Arguably, it could just be me. I don't think it is. I think I'm not alone in that. I have no idea if that cut. It didn't feel like it did. Oh, it did. Wow. I'm using the wrong plate. Don't use the grey one. It's me that's using the not right one. Seriously, I'm staring all over my desk going, where is it? Where is it? And yeah, where's my pencils gone? They're lovely ones. They were a gift from Stampin' Up. Okay, so I'm going to give these a little bit of a bend in a few directions. So I'm not folding them in half. I'm just kind of getting all of those edges. If I bring it a little closer. So I'm folding between each petal just to get a little bit of life and movement. And I'm going to do the same on this one. So I'm folding away from myself, just between each one. Just to really get some, yeah, life and movement. I think that's probably the best way to describe it. So I'm going to whack some glue on there. And there as well. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this up just so it's flat for me. And I'm going to bend these up. Obviously these ones have been bent before. And just sort of squish it into place. Just like that. And that, I think, is a nice way to finish off a gift bag. Like I say, I folded it over so you can see it. You could, and I have done this before, actually. I'll give you a little tip, which I probably need to close that. So what you do is you measure your bag. So my bag is 6 inches, 15 centimetres. So you would go smaller than that. So you would go, say 5 inches, and you decide how much you want to decorate. So 5 inches by 2, and you cut a bit of cardstock. Let's get a smaller piece. So 2 by 5. So you have that panel. Let me get everything out of the way. Let's get another one. I'll do it on the white one. So you have your panel and you add your decoration to your panel. So nowhere near the bag, add it to the panel, and you can put some tape on the back. You could even put Velcro buttons or a Velcro strip, and then you attach that to the bag. But you would have your flowers spilling all over the side. So you're hiding the panel's hidden, but it could be peeled off if you use Velcro. So I have done that in the past, that's quite good. But this one I just wanted to attach it straight to the bag. Oh look, that one's popped off. Get that on there. I thought that was really pretty, so I thought I'd share it with you. Anyway, like I say, 2 options, straight on the bag, or like I say, you could, what you were doing with the panel is completely covering it so there's none of the panel to see, but you know, you pick the same colour as your bag and then attach that. And like I say, maybe with some Velcro dots across the back, it could go on there and your recipient could peel it off, and then they've got that themselves to keep as well. Or they might just keep the bag. Anyway, let me pop that open again. I hope you like it. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Now, I'm going to go and find my pencils. Outrageous. Anyway, bye.